Good morning, students. Happy Tuesday. It is a wonderful day to learn something new. I know you all will be working hard and growing in your classrooms today. And you know what else today is? Take a look at your screen. It's National Panda Day. So I thought we could spend a little bit of time starting our morning with some cute and cuddly pandas from the Atlanta Zoo. So while you're watching our friend over there chow down, I'm going to give you a few fun panda facts. A giant panda is much bigger than your teddy bear. Did you know that the pandas you see on your screen can be as big as 100 pounds and 5 feet long? Wow, that's big. Giant pandas, just as you see on our screen here, are good at climbing trees and swimming. Some call pandas lazy as they spend most of their days eating and sleeping. And if you look at our friend on the screen there, he looks like he's doing a little bit of both. He's relaxing in his canopy hammock there, and also it looks as if he's eating some bamboo. Speaking of eating bamboo, bamboo shoots are panda bears' favorite food to eat. They have specially designed teeth that can withstand the hard endurability of the bamboo shoots. And look at little panda go. You can see him just tearing into those trees. They are very hard and difficult to even break if you've held one in person. So you can imagine how sharp the panda teeth are as they eat that snack of choice. Okay, last but not least, some of you may like this. A panda can poop up to 28 kilos a day. Wow. I don't know exactly how much 28 kilos is. We'll have to ask Miss Lebo, but it sounds like a lot. So I bet they have their work cut out for them at the Atlanta Zoo. Boys and girls, thanks for starting your morning with me. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Work hard, learn, and grow. And happy National Panda Day.